Today's rainbow snack box is perfect to send along with your favorite sandwich or wrap or as a standalone snack box. Hi, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I'm so excited that you're here. This entire month, I'm showcasing quick, no-cook, back-to-school bento ideas that you can whip up really fast in about 5 minutes, and I'm sharing with you the tricks of keeping packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other quick lunch ideas. Now, I already went ahead and made these energy bites. They are oatmeal bites. I'm gonna leave the recipe below for you. I make these once a week and keep them in the fridge. They're perfect for snack boxes or as an afternoon snack. I'm gonna place a couple of them in this medium compartment. And along with those, I'm gonna send a bunch of veggies and fruit. I'm gonna pack those in this other larger compartment. I've got some bell peppers that I'm gonna place here. I also have some baby carrots and some apple slices. As a little extra protein and filler, I'm taking a hard-boiled egg that I went ahead. I always keep some in the fridge for extras and place those in a separate compartment. Now, if packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that would help you build quick lunches by mix and matching ingredients that you already have on hand. Now, all you have to do is take your lid, put it on top of your lunchbox and refrigerate that. This is perfect to pack the night before, and in the morning, just pull it out, grab an ice pack, put that in the lunch bag along with this rainbow snack box and anything else you're packing, such as a drink, zip that up, and this lunch is ready to go. But wait, there's more. Watch this next bento that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.